When Saint Kabir passed away, a large crowd gathered around his resting place. Some were Hindus, some were Muslims. Both claimed him as their own. The Hindu said, "He was born in a Hindu family. We must cremate him according to our rituals." The Muslim said, "No, he followed Islamic teachings. He should be buried as per our tradition." Soon, a heated argument broke out. Each side was firm. No one was ready to let go. And slowly the tension began to rise. Finally, to settle the matter, they decided to lift the white cloth covering Kabir's body. But what they found left everyone silent. There was no body, only fresh, fragrant flowers. Everyone stood still. No one knew what to say. After a long pause, they did something beautiful. They divided the flowers. The Hindus took half and performed their final rites in their way. The Muslims took the other half and did the same in theirs. And just like that, the conflict disappeared. What remained was peace. For many years, people called this a miracle. Some believed the saint had simply vanished. Others said it was divine grace. But the real story is even more meaningful. Before his death, Kabir had already told his closest followers, "Don't let people fight over this body. It is just clay. The soul is beyond it. Let it go. Quietly immerse the body in the river and leave behind some flowers to honor the truth." Kabir knew how tightly people hold on to identity. He had spent his entire life teaching the opposite. He didn't want his death to undo the truth he had lived for. So his disciples followed his wish. They quietly released his body into the river and placed flowers where he had rested. No miracle, no magic. Just a message. A message that even in death, he would not belong to any religion, any group, or any label. Only to the truth. Kabir's body was gone, but his final teaching remained. Let go of form. Let go of division. What matters is the essence, the truth that cannot be divided.